chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we are doing Christmas nails because yet again, year after year, Christmas has snuck up on me. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. Now the polishes I'm using today, of course, are from my own collection, starting with yellow, Custard, Glamor. These are all from different collections, so just go to the website. Links will be in the description box down below as per usual. The second one is called Cushy. And then of course blood red, because I really love this colour. It's just And then of course one of my absolute favourites is this beautiful navy blue called Bluetifull. And then of course we need green because it's Christmas, and we're going to be using Minty Fresh. This is a lovely, delicious, creamy minty polish. You'd love it. I'm not even kidding. So for the base of my nails, before the actual nail art, we're going to be using the Bluetifull, and then we're also going to be using blood red. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? 2 thin coats, completely opaque. And it's the same with the red. It's just, yum. Very time efficient because you don't have to spend a lot of time painting your nails. Now for the nail art, we are using stamping plates. These are Christmas stamping plates from Uber Chic Beauty, Christmas 02 and Christmas 01. But you don't have to buy those. You can find Christmas stamping plates in so many different places these days. So we're going to be using these images. This particular one is of the gingerbread man, and we're going to be doing reverse stamping. If you don't know what reverse stamping is, it basically is your colouring in. So you're going to stamp the image and then leave it on the stamper while you use a different polish, obviously, to paint. Well, not paint, yes paint, but colour in the image. So really, if you can stamp, you can absolutely, most definitely, and truly do reverse stamping. If you've never tried it, I recommend it. It's kind of fun and sort of therapeutic. If you have bad eyes, I get a magnifying glass because the image is really small. But basically, if you can colour in, the line inside the lines, then you can do reverse stamping. It's that easy. Now, I always find it's a much better idea, just for your own peace of mind, to use a stamper that you can see through, because once you've finished painting, you can turn it upside down and look and see how well you've painted, and just to make sure that you've painted within the lines and you've sort of covered the entire internal part of the image that you're colouring in. So once you do that, you then let the polish on the stamper completely dry. It's really important that you let it completely dry. Don't try and put it back on. Don't try and put it on your nail whilst it's still wet. That's really, really important. Now I will say, also, this is very time consuming, so you have to be kind of committed to it. But as you can see, I've done a pretty good job. And as I said before, make sure it's completely dry before you try and put it on your nail. Now I'm just putting a little bit of liquid latex around the skin around my nails. It'll just make it easier to clean up later, especially because this stamp is bigger than my nail, like the image that I'm stamping is bigger than my nail. So as you can see, it transferred perfectly, and then we're just going to use some non-acetone remover to clean up. I like to sort of cut around the edge with the edge of my cleanup brush first before removing the liquid latex for the just in case times, because the polish, remember that you're stamping onto your nail, is completely dry. So it's definitely a possibility that that liquid latex could pull up a part of your design that's actually stuck to your nail. So you don't want that to happen, because then that would ruin all of that fabulous work you've just done. But see, as you can see, nothing lifted up, and that's just Perfect. Well, not perfect, but it's pretty good. I'm very impressed with this one, and I think the blue in the base really makes it pop. Now, before top coating, what I want to do is add a couple of little, not raisins, I guess raisins. You know how the gingerbread man has like little raisin buttons. So we're going to add that, or like with these teeny tiny little dots of red where those little button things are on the gingerbread man. And that'll just make him look a little bit more authentic, I guess. Now, moving on to the red now, we're going to put a Christmas tree on that one. So again, I'm using white stamping polish, and we're going to stamp that Christmas tree image onto the stamper. And then we're going to paint the Christmas tree with the green, which is Minty Fresh. And then we're going to use the yellow shade to fill in the star at the top of the tree. Now again, before stamping it on your nail, make sure you let it completely dry. And then I was pretty impressed with the placement of this Christmas tree. I love it. Looks so cute. And once everything's completely dry, you want to go ahead and seal it all in with your favorite top coat, as per usual. And that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. As you can see, I did also do some quick snowflake stamping on the index and the pinky nail. So same plates basically. Anyway, thanks you so much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Please click on the links down below to see what I used. Thank you. I'm going now. Bye.